All right, hello everybody, welcome to another Sights and Sounds video here in Costa Rica. Today we're in JACO, Puntarenas province, right down on the beach on the south end of town, looking for some sunset surf. If this is your first time joining us here on Sights and Sounds, thank you. Be sure to subscribe, be sure to like this video, leave any comments with your thoughts or requests for places to visit or places to see in Costa Rica. We're going to be exploring a lot more places here, but I want to give you guys a thought of what it's like before you show up to give you an idea of how to best prepare your trip. So today we're in JACO, south end of the beach. You can see down in the yonder is the main drag in JACO, but today we're over here checking out some surfing. So this part of the beach is the beginner part of the beach, if you will. Far more advanced than I could ever find myself on a board, but this is where the kids will come down and do their lessons because the water is far less choppy and the run out is far smoother. So you can see people standing right before where the waves are breaking. They're standing just at waist height. So it's pretty easy peasy. Very busy, very busy. You can see everybody around here. Cars parked right up. You can check out any of these shops if you're coming here, and they will most certainly do lessons for you for surfing. And you can see off in the distance here, right there, there's people fishing up on the rocks. Really cool spot to fish if you're into fishing. You can surf fish right here in JACO, so you can just stand right on the water and fish. It's not going to result in the biggest fish, but it's definitely, you know, I don't know if fishing's about catching the biggest fish. I think it's just about standing there and throwing the line out, isn't it? Or you can come down and party, you know, see some party going on, some tailgating. There's a lot of accommodations here on the south end in JACO. Surely you can find it on VRBO or Airbnb. See lots of families down here. It's a really cool vibe. Everybody's chilling. Lots of people taking photos of the surfers. It's great stuff. Now, if you're coming down here, I'm going to link below this location. This is, again, the south end of JACO. So it's pretty far removed from the main drag. If you're driving down here, these guys here will just guide you in, get you parking. Be sure to throw a couple mil cologne at them. Lots of parking, and we've actually come right up on this beach before and had a picnic right off the back of our car. If you can find a spot that's tucked up right against the beach there, it's pretty awesome. Have a little barbecue if you want. Now right here as well, there's some guys doing horseback. You're gonna pay pretty good money to rip up and down the JACO beach on horseback. I think it's about 40 bucks a person, but it's definitely a pretty cool experience. Again, just all the cars parked, people surfing, people swimming. There's dogs pooing, whatever, pura vida, so I'm told. Cool. But I'm gonna head up. We're gonna walk down there and I'll check back in when we're on the main drag to see how it is at nighttime. All right, so now we fast forward here into JACO proper on the main drag. We're in Jaco Walk right now. There's a really good Indian restaurant right here. And I'm starting in Jaco Walk here at night so we can display what I would call a gradient of eloquence. Jaco Walk's very nice part of town. Very nice shops. You know, you got all the food you can imagine. We got sports bars. Fun stuff. So Jaco Walk, you can probably expect to pay a bit more to eat here, to dine here. And right now we're here on a Saturday night, so it looks like we've got a little market going on. So perhaps every Saturday, definitely check it out. Come down, buy some stuff from the market. Check out Jaco Walk. But we're gonna start heading up the drag and see how it compares to Jaco Walk. So again, all these little shops here are really great. They're very nice. If you're staying on the south end of Jaco, they are very accessible here. And you can do all your photos and stuff for the gram. As always, it's a very important thing to know where the gram photos are. Do people still use Instagram? I don't know. So right now we are 1 block up. For those of you who aren't familiar with Jaco, we're 1 block away from the beach. So at any given time along this strip, it's running parallel to the beach, and we are about 1 minute away. And so what you just saw there again is like what you're gonna encounter everywhere. There's just guys gonna try to divert you. No gracias, man. Try to divert you and get you to go on some excursion, buy hammocks, donate money. If you're adamant and just say no, they'll leave you alone. But be prepared for it. So this place right here, guys, what's it called? I don't know what it's called, but there it is. It's right near Jaco Walk. It's so good. They have delicious food and it's super cheap. Not great if you're on a diet, but it's super good food. And then all along here, there's just constant restaurants and bars. So here's one of the streets going down to the beach. It's actually across the road here. So Morales Street, looks like a pretty busy bar right there. Cool sports bar. So now the last time I was in Jaco, there was actually different businesses around. So the turnover is probably pretty high, but that keeps it exciting. So right here, there's a sushi place that's really good. And this bakery right here is really good as well. It's right beside Mango. So if you see Mango there, it's beside that. And Mango, it's closed right now because it's nighttime, but they sell like clothing and surfwear and stuff like that. So check out the bakery there. It's really good. And then there's a nice Italian restaurant here, I believe, unless I'm colorblind. Mexican food. And Jaco right now, so we're here, it's a Saturday night, so it's gonna be busy. It's February 2022. It's busy. It's busy. During COVID, Jaco was dead. This is busy. So we got another road down to the beach. So now if you land in Jaco, this is probably where you're gonna get your groceries right here. Mas para menos. I always thought it was Mas y menos. And I learned a bit of Spanish, and it's basically more for less. And I think it's a Walmart brand, but it's a big grocery store and they have everything for fairly cheap. So definitely check out Mas para menos. If you come down here, ask your Uber or taxi driver. Back to the gradient of eloquence, I think you'll start noticing that this is no longer Jaco Walk. It's still fun though, I enjoy it. You'll probably enjoy it. There's kids walking around, it's no issues. It's really fun stuff. Lots of people, lots of people. Lots of tipsy people. Super fun. So, okay, Icono. Icono has clothing. It's a pretty pricey store. I don't know what they really sell in there that I'd want. I'm simple though. They have fancy clothing in Icono. It's like a fancy department store. And then we have Banco Nacional. They have ATMs there. So if you need to take money out, it's probably one of the more reliable options, I'd say, here in Jaco. It is, and it is so busy. It's incredible. It's really fun. Again, though, this is a Saturday night, so you can expect all the people out drinking. And Jaco is also known for, you know, if you know, you know. So it's legal here. Now here's something that's good to know. The best dollar store in Jaco is right down this street. So you go down this alleyway and there's a massive dollar store there. So if you're looking for anything simple, little simple things, just head down there. And I mean, to reference the place, it's across from the Farmacia and it's beside the ice cream place. So if you see the ice cream place and this guy, right, if you see this guy right here, just to head a little bit further and you'll find the best dollar store in walking distance. They pretty much have everything, which is pretty good. If you forget something for the beach, that's a good place to hit up. There you go. Big Red Hotel. That's the Big Red Hotel. So here's Pops, another ice cream place. This is a chain. Pops are all throughout Costa Rica. So if you want to grab ice cream there, but I prefer checking out the boutique shops, the one-offs, to Jaco, see what they have to offer. So this is the main intersection here.
So we're just kind of walking right now.
There's lots of accommodations up this road. So if you're looking in Jaco, you may very well be staying in a hotel or a short-term place up that road there. And I don't know what's going on up there. I've never been in there. Looks like a discotheque, probably a bunch of young people dancing, moving in ways which would impair my back. So I will not be doing that. So and here's a place, a sport bar that was just, I was just here a few months ago and it was a, they sold like rice bowls. So now it's a sports bar, so there you go. Thing just turning over here in Jaco. Here's Pizza Pata, amazing pizza. Definitely check out Pizza Pata. Awesome, awesome spot. Very well priced pizza, and it's really good too. All right, what do we got? What do we got? Bravissimo. This is a gelato place. I didn't know what gelato was until I had it. It's ice cream, and it's very, very delicious. And this whole plaza here is actually very nice. We've eaten here, okay? Gelato right here. But again, you can imagine we've walked pretty far away from Jaco Walk. But if you're just heading down the strip, there's lots of places to check out. All the shops are closed right now, though. I think things are still closing early here because of COVID. That's interesting. All right, so here we go. Here we're gonna find some of the bars, you know. There's still kids down here. You'll still see families walking everywhere. It's just a matter of, you know, if you're looking to spend more money to sit in a restaurant in Jaco Walk or not. All right, so actually here's a gym. It's a really cool gym. Hold on, man. Here's a cool gym that you can sign up. They have day passes here. They have Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu for kids. Looks like they got some racks. They have a boxing ring in the back. It's really cool. Check it out if you need a fitness place. If you're into that kind of CrossFitting and calisthenics workouts. If not, there's another gym on the other end of town. Leave a comment below and I can pin where they are on Google so you can check it out. There's another gym called Beachbody. It has more of a proper complement of weight training equipment.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, buddy.
To my country, my friend. Welcome to my country.
Gracias, man.
Enjoy here.
It's bonito. Gracias.
Yeah, thank you.
Everybody's friendly, man. Love Costa Rica. And when people see the camera up, they just want to flare it up. So down in this end of town, you're going to see a lot more signs about massages. Yes, many masseuses down here. So if you're watching this video and wondering where you find that business, if you're looking for a massage, it's down towards the bridge here. And there's actually a gym here too. I think this is a gym where this blue light is. You can check that out. I never worked out there. Man, it's a lot of walking. All right, so further on yonder, there's some hotels down here. There's some more shops, more of the same. But you notice it's not as well lit. There's less going on, but there, you know, there's more going on if you know what I mean. But don't let that deter you. During the day, it's very nice and everything's on the up and up. And I've walked down there at night and I've never felt unsafe. There's a really great set of shops there and restaurants to check out. So I hope you enjoyed that video of this walking tour of JACO. Leave a comment below with your thoughts, questions, comments, requests. Let me know where you want me to go and film. And I'll do it. Remember to subscribe. Check out sightsandsounds.co for a write-up on what we discussed in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye now.